Between the north and the south, the tip going to the
against this zone to start with. Itong depensa ng Sarangani. Open jumper. They left the wrong guy open.
Pangamento. King gives it up to Martin Gozom, who tries for a free, banks it in.
Not just him, his individual performance being much better than his numbers against Nueva Ecija opens up the offensive scoring para sa
Kadong malakas. Tatakbo ditong San Juan. Nico Panganiban in transition, lays it in for 2 more.
In that 1-3-1 zone.
Short stab kay Aldrich Ramos. Matic Pascual. Destacamento. Nice pass inside. Pascual medyo lumayo, but that floater will drop in.
Before he passed out at the last moment, kumito na ang official.
Oh, nice pass. Ramos setting up Gambo
professionally. And now with a guy like Gambo, ang ganda ng kombinasyon na yan. Sabandal will finish after
trip. Nico Panganiban in stride. Kicks it out to Cranian Viloria. Somehow it ends up with Mike Calis.
Same play. Same result, different players.
Dexter Marquez, 2 points na mukhang madali. Reversal of roles.
So kanina kasi Viloria
sparked them here, but that results into a miss from beyond the arc. Ken Villapando glides in. Orlan Bamar gets to the paint, kicks it out. Ken Villapando, his version of a free from the left corner.
Natutuwa lagi ang
so far para dito sa Sarangani.
Jackson is open pero mas libre si Mike sa ilalim.
Great vision once again from Orlan Wamar.
If they don't adjust defensively in transition, and even with white shirts running down the paint, it was
forcing it up, wala pa din.
5-4.
Ken Villapando soars and scores plus the foul.
And that's really his strength, though. We saw the outside shot, but this is the second time already. Very much on that right slot going downhill. He knows.
Sino kaya idol nito? Yung nasa Chicago o yung naka dito sa Gripper? Benji Jimenez miss 2 points na naman.
And a layup on the other end.
Again, long miss, but this time it ends up with Martin Gozom and finally stopping the bleeding.
Tarasa finishes it, kissing it off the glass. Jackson, corner 3.
Talbog palabas. Another pass in the interior. Kalisaan to Dexter Marquez.
Already they're 11.
Kalisaan tatakbo dito. Si John Jackson naman yung pinasahan, who skies high for the finish.
That's a 7-point foul.
Martin Gozom, the miss. Here we go. Ken Villapando. Wamar back to Villapando for 2. On Jackson, who will not force up that outside shot. Quickly to Dexter Marquez off the talaga.
Eat 7 times, get fatter 8.
Pinantan mo lang yung dalawang salita.
Similar lang pala, similar. Good report, Andrea.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy for Coach Alex. He's a former teammate of mine. I've always...
And boy, after 7 tries, no, finally getting over Pampanga.
Right.
Must be such a sweet feeling personally for him as Lars Sunga gets the basket plus the foul. Kasi kung tatandaan mo, nung nag-coach siya sa Bacoor, then also when he coached
the first championship ng Pampanga, yeah.
Then he coached Caloocan.
Fourth quarter earliest, pero ngayon, sa laki ng kalamangan nila, as early as the second quarter, nasa loob na siya.
Pati si Jeff Tahonera, nasa loob na din, ha?
Hindi, pero si Jeff Tahonera, Justin Baltazar is, that was his most impressive game para sa akin. I thought he showed great composure. Ilong, kung di ako nagkakamali, no? Tinamaan sa ilong, duguan. Tatamaan siya ni Tahonera. And yet, he was so determined of winning the game as Ubalde will finish in the fast break of the offensive rebound. And that he remained the basketball in his sleeve. He just knows how to score. And medyo hindi natin nakita masyado yun ng college. Pero ito, dahil nakasabayan ko to, si
Falcon. Oo. Sila Mark Abadia ba yung mga kasabay niya?
Correct.
4 out of 11 from the... Nagabot ba sila?
Hindi. Jojo hate yun. So, not to take anything away from them, but Sam Ekwe was literally the center of that.
27-point lead pa rin para sa San Juan Knights. Libreng-libre si Otep sa loob. Forger resetting their offense. Gives it up to John Galinato, who buries that three. Continues to fire, continues to miss. Galinato in stride. Already assured at least in the playoffs, but would want to get that #1 spot at the end of the elimination round. Royce Alforque with Pascual. Again, shot clock winding down para dito sa Sarangani Gripper, but Lars Sunga able to pick on the other end.
Kung hindi na i-shoot ni Sunga yun, first two para sa quarter na ito, Sarangani, pero sagot naman ni Aldrich.
And also, home court advantage throughout the playoffs.
Tama. Kasi 23-2 ang San Juan, 24-1 ang Abra. So, if ever, let's say San Juan pulls that off, obviously, magiging parehas sila. 2 losses. If they end up 2 losses apiece, then winner over the other. He has a different role because he doesn't have the usual touches, especially when he was with Rizal. He used to be ball dominant.
Yeah. Panganiban with a 3 few weeks back. Panganiban probably should have gone in with a bank there, but alas, a foul given up by Joem Sabandal.
He probably wanted to maybe
Carlo Escalambre na agawan na mga nigam.
sigurado na to.
Oo. Making up for that miss. Chan before cutting his stint short to turn pro here in the MPBL. But so far, he hasn't really panned out. Lars Sunga though with a basket. Galing sa likod. Boy Alves gets 2 points na mawala sa play-in picture. Dahil yung last 2 spots sa play-in, Wamar pitches it ahead to Craniel Viloria, who lays it in. Alam mo, tong floor director natin, nakakaingit. Mo yun, Coach Chris?
Pwede. Uy. Pwede.
Ilang assist na to si Orlan Wamar. Malaki-laki pa rin lamang nila dito. 39 na puntos. Joeboy Escalambre finally hits a free.
Ang mas bata.
Orlan Wamar, tumadyak pa bago tumira. Mike is there for the stick.
In Pampanga.
Yeah. Nag-abot.
Pero kailangan may mabanggit ka pang isang pangalan na magiging congressman.
And Orlan Wamar.
Right? Sama mo pa si Marvin Taiwan.
Sa payo.
Former San Juan Knight din yun.
Iba naman yun. Kasi
2
si Orlan...
seasons, kung yung nagkakamali.
Oh.
So, every time he makes a team, lahat gusto maglaro. And Marvin Taiwan saw himself. Hala kasi nabuo na ni Coach Yong Garcia, who was bigyan ka ng pagkain, tinatanggihan mo. Pero pag on air, no, naging anghel ka bigla. No? Thank you, Direk. Direk Fred, simple ka lang, ha? Pwede naman sa harap.
Kita mo, si Ken Villapando, yung lumusob. Totoo ba yun, Ton? Magkakalaman tayo kung ano, ha? Ito, siya yata magpapakita sa atin ng one-handed throwdown. Ken Villapando. Ng highlight, gets her great move of the game, born for greatness.
Ito, huwag na kayo mag-antay, sabi ni Villapando. Front ka pa, number 23 ka na, naka-jamborant ka pa na sapatos, dapat lang na dumadakdak ka. Orlan Wamar, hindi man dumadakdak yan, 2 points pa rin yan. He would not only do a dunk in a warm-up, he would do it, he was an in-game dunker. Itong si Commissioner Kenneth.
Oo, no?
Oo. Tomahawk slam. Ito, tinawagan ng goaltending.
Sean Jackson.
That was close.
Tapos may foul.
Me. Sean Hergesy.
Orlan Mamar, drive.
But Sean realized that I was being sarcastic.
Orlan Mamar, pass inside. Villapando.
Wakali! Na pa, push up si Ton.
Oh, sige.
Sandaan. Ayan na! Ay, wala, kapos pa rin.
Swerte ka
Ay
kahit
pa premyo, no? Malamang. I'm gonna assume meron. Yung slam dunk contest natin, giving us exposure.
Oo, isa na yon.
Ito na! O hindi pa?
Di pa.
I never tried again.
Uy, ganda ng backdoor. Sean Galinato.
Ito sa traumatic experience.
Kaya nga eh. Si Palanya, alam ko kaya din tumakdak noon. Si Bosedel, di ko alam kung nung araw nakakadakdak.
Oh, sort of like a springboard para pagandaan itong Abra.
Rizal 4K ahead. Yung record for most number of assists in a game was Philip Manalang. I believe he had
Mahigit
more than
20.
20
Oo.
when he was with Paranaque. Ken
ito.
Villapando,
Pang ano na to? 21.
21.
Oo. Yung mga nasa loob, Galinato, sila Villapando, Ubalde. Di ba? Susuhulan ko. Tama ba? Is that the word?
O yan.
Ayan, assist ulit. Okay.
22. Ayan na naman. Galinato ahead. Lays it in. Plus the foul.
So, ilan na? Dali.
Still intact. Tama naman. 109.60.
Agaw. Agaw. Assist.
There we go.
There's the record.
Nicely done for Orlan Mamar. 24 assists. Nagresulta sa turnover yun.
Kaya lang, mas nangingibabaw sa akin yung 6 turnovers niya. Ay, hindi. 4 lang pala.
Dinagdagan mo naman eh.
Alley-oop. Hindi. Villapando.
Pandagdag. Ayan, 25 assists.
5. There's a go. That's the record.
Kaloy, nakalusot. Lays it in. 29 seconds left. It's a nice win in preparation for...
I believe, yeah, I remember in and all that. But you're talking about a game 5.
That's how good they've been since joining the MPBL in its second season. It's either championship
Or bust.
or bust. Exactly.
That's the end of the second game.
And that's gonna do it here in this game. And San Juan pretty much walloping itong Sarangani here. But Orlan Mamar, 25 assists. The most in a game.
Maraming salamat, Ken. First of all, Kenneth, congratulations. You performed really well tonight, finishing with a career-high performance. At bukod nga sa magagandang paso sa'yo ni Orlan, ano nga bang rason at magandang pinakita mo ngayong gabi?
First of all, syempre, nagpapasalamat ako kay God. Walang nasaktan sa game na to. And sa teammate ko, syempre, kay Wamar, kaya ginagawa lang namin yung pinapractice namin. And kaya sabi nga ng mga coaches namin, respetuhin lang namin kung sino yung makakalaban namin.
Mukhang medyo emotional ka. How are you feeling right now?
Masaya lang.
And also, looking at the number of your assists, makikita na you guys are sharing the ball so much, playing unselfish basketball. Yan ba yung sistema na nakukuha niyo kay Coach Alex?
Ito kasi yung pinapractice namin everyday.